Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see the story of a lazy rat. Once upon a time in Medina, there were two rats, wife and husband. The wife does everything while the husband takes time to relax and enjoy himself. The wise all sends them both to see the Prophet. Peace and blessings of Allah be upon him in Medina. The husband is shocked when he looks and saw the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was helping his wife. Although in his opinion that is the wife's job. Finally he learns the lesson to assist his wife in the domestic tasks to follow the sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The moral behind this Islamic story for Muslims is this is a great lesson to our children, daughters and sons. In order to raise independent men just as we focus on raising independent girls. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Be updated for more new videos. Thanks for today.